Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. So our today's topic is how to set up Rocktech dual band Wi-Fi range extender. If your Wi-Fi router provides wireless internet access for multiple devices like phones, laptops, and smart TV, then this Rocktech dual band Wi-Fi range extender setup is the one of the best. The Rocktech dual band Wi-Fi range extender is a device that boosts your existing Wi-Fi signal to cover areas with weak or no coverage. So without wasting any time, let's start the setup process. First of all, plug the Rocktech dual band extender into a wall socket near your router. Same room recommended. Wait for the power LED to turn solid. Find the WPS Wi-Fi Protected Setup button on your main Wi-Fi router. The button might be labeled WPS or show a two curved arrows icon. It is usually located on the back or side panel of your router. Now, press and hold the WPS button on your router for about 2 to 3 seconds. You should see a blinking WPS LED light on the router. This means your router is now searching for a device to connect securely. Within 30 seconds of pressing router WPS, go to the extender. Press the WPS button on the Rocktech extender for 1 to 2 seconds. The WPS LED or signal LED will start blinking. This means it's trying to connect to your router. Give it 60 to 90 seconds. When the connection is successful, the signal/link LED turns solid, green/blue depending on model. The Wi-Fi LED also becomes stable. This means your extender has successfully paired with your router. After the connection is done, unplug the extender. Move it halfway between your router and the weak Wi-Fi area. Setup complete. Your Rocktech dual band Wi-Fi range extender is now boosting your Wi-Fi coverage. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.